up? It's your girl Cynthia here for another makeup tutorial. I know it's been a long time since I've done a tutorial. It's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. And you know, it's been good. It's been pretty awesome. I think the last time I did a video was before summer, and summer's almost over. It's September 12th today, and yeah, it's pretty intense. I'm sorry about that, but my summer was pretty cool. I spent it with my best friend Sherry the whole entire time, and she's literally my guardian angel. I love her. I'm really excited because a new Morphe store just opened up in San Diego at Fashion Valley Mall, and I was there yesterday and I picked up the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault. I was really excited to try this, and I'm still really excited to try the rest of the palettes out. I will be making like a 4-part series to this, so I'll be making a look for every single palette I have in here. The palette I used today was Armed and Gorgeous, which is this beautiful palette right here with lots of oranges and shimmers. Subscribe and like this video up to become a Bellissima today. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye! Okay, Bellissima, so I already did my intro, so I don't need to do too much talking or anything, but I did want to just say, and I probably said this in the beginning as well, I'm so excited because a Morphe store just opened up in San Diego, and it's like the most exciting thing ever, especially because the closest Morphe store before this one opened was in LA, which is like 3 to 4 hours away from me. So it was a very exciting thing to hear that they were opening up one in San Diego. So for the main event, which I'm so excited about, and I am planning on doing 4 different videos using each one of these palettes. So if you guys didn't already get the clue, you should have. But anyways, I purchased the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes, the Vault. So they all have names. So there's Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm. So they are kind of color coordinated, if you can tell. So Dark Magic has like those greens, blues, darker colors. Armed and Gorgeous is, I believe it's like the yellows and oranges. Bling Boss is the purple palette, and Ring the Alarm is like the neutral reddish colors. So I'm probably gonna do Armed and Gorgeous, just because I think I can do some really fun looks with this one, okay? Okay, so we're gonna get started. So I've been really dry lately. I don't know why. I hate my skin looking oily or anything, and I've always had a problem with that, but lately it's been really like combination to dry, especially like on my cheeks. They've been insanely dry. So I'm gonna use the Mermaid Skin by Tarte as a serum to hydrate my skin. Just pump a little bit with my hands, mush it around together, and just apply this all over my face. So that I just let it sink into my skin. And then I love to take my Belief moisturizing balm. So they have the Aqua Balm or the moisturizing balm. The moisturizing balm is better for people with dry skin, and the Aqua Balm is better for people with oily skin, which like I said, my skin's been really dry lately, so I've been using the moisturizing balm. So I'm just gonna get a little bit. I like to get from the sides. Just dab that onto my skin. I like to apply some eye balms. So again, I got this mini eye balm from Belief. It's the moisturizing and firming eye cream. I've been using this like, it's my holy grail eye balm right now. So I just apply a little bit on my eyes, and a little bit goes a long way with eye balms and eye creams. I feel like people don't understand that. Like, you just need a little bit. It's not like you're putting it on your whole face. So this stuff lasts so long if you really know how to kind of like manage it. Now I'm gonna go in with my primer. I am gonna do my eye look first, but I like to let my skin kind of, ooh girl, my skin kind of set. Ooh, okay. So just a little bit. Next thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes. I've been priming my eyes with this lip and eye primer that we got from Make It Forever and Gratis. What I do is I take very little, again, very little goes a long way, so maybe like that. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes and take it down to my bottom lash line as well. But I always like to set my eyelids with a light eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use Dark Magic, the palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Poof, which is that really light shade right there. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. But I'm just taking this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 6 in I think the Rose Gold collection. And then I'm taking Poof, and then I'm just kind of setting that all over my lid. Ooh, this is like a perfect shadow for that too. I thought it may have been a little too dark, but no, it's perfect. I'm using this eyeshadow brush I got from my Ipsy bag. It's from SL Miss Glam, something like that. I don't know. But it's just like this rainbowish little brush here. I'm actually gonna take the shade Agent, which is this orangey brownish shade over at the end here. I don't know how much, so I'm always patting off the excess. And with that, I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth in my crease right here. And I like to keep my eyes kind of open for this because then I can really shape out where my crease is gonna be. A really fluffy brush and just blend it. It's a clean fluffy brush, so it doesn't have really much product. And this is just gonna blend out those colors. So with an this is just my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is just a very, very little brush that's just gonna really focus the color in there. So I'm gonna take the shade Secure, which is more of an orange shade, which is this one down here, and then focus that right there as well. I wanna kind of keep building. I have so many baby hairs, I need to like fix those guys, because then I like to go back and blend. You always want to go back and blend your shadows. So I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, which is this brush right here. It's a very small tapered blending brush. So now I'm going to take Smooth Criminal, which is this brown shade right here. Really want to pat off the excess. And if anything, I like to kind of really squeeze it inwards. So it's okay if you mess up a little bit, get some more down below, because I'm gonna go back and clean that anyways. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape by Tarte, and this is in the shade Light Neutral, and then I'm doing that. I just feel like this packs on a lot more of the color and makes everything a little bit brighter and easier in my opinion. The ends don't really matter much because I'm gonna end up covering them anyways. But I just wanted to create that little flick at the end there. So I like to I'm gonna add a little bit more of that orangey shade just to blend a little bit more and add. I don't want to lose my colors, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. So I'm gonna use my 7 BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a packing brush. It's like a really dense brush. And I'm gonna first go in with Smooth Criminal and focus that right at the ends over here. So I'm gonna kind of like cover up this area right here. I'm going in with the Morphe 321 brush, again a smaller dense brush that's gonna pack in the color. And I'm gonna go with Prowl, which is this darker brown, and I'm gonna focus that on the outside right here just to create some more depth and flicking it out a little bit. It looks a little crazy right now. All my eye looks always look crazy until the end, so just guys, have faith, please, please. I'm gonna start off with the shade Classified, I think that's what it is. Yeah, Classified, okay? Then I'm gonna go in with Girls Trip, which is that one over there, and then I'm gonna go in with Coin, okay? I'm gonna use all three, okay? I'm gonna go for it. And I'm taking my 11 BH Cosmetics Rose Gold Collection one, Classified. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. So with this one, I'm gonna focus that right here. Right kind of where the darker shadow ends. I love this brush for everything that includes shimmer. I feel like this brush is perfect for that. So now I'm gonna go in with Girls Trip, which is that lighter shade. That one I'm gonna focus in the inner part of my lid where I didn't apply the other. So with a Luxie 249 brush, I'm gonna take the flat part of it. With this brush, which I also got in my Ipsy bag, I'm going in with the shade VIP, which is this shade right here at the end, this white shade. Focus a little bit. This shade right here, which is like a shimmery white. I'm gonna apply that on my brow bone. Right here. Ooh, girl. So normally what I do is I do my brows first. And applying that brow bone shade, I just realized I didn't do that first, but it's okay. You know why? Because I'm human and we make mistakes, okay? So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I made a huge mistake, which was to do my eyeshadow before I did my brows. So I forgot to do my brows. So I did them and they obviously look like crap because I didn't do them before and I was trying to be careful with my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and then I'll fix my brows later. I don't even want to deal with them right now. They've really ruined my life. I'm kidding. So I'm gonna take Becca the Weightless, so they have like a new weightless foundation and I'm gonna take Noisette. It's a sample so you guys can't see the bottle unfortunately and I'm sorry about that. But I've been using this foundation and this color may be a little light for me, but let's just try it. So I'm just gonna apply that. I'm taking my beauty blender and it is a little bit ripped. I ripped it when I first got it on accident, but I spent too much money on it, so I'm not about to buy another one right now. Alright, so now I'm taking my Shape Tape by Tarte, and this is the shade again, Light Neutral. Applying that on underneath my eyes, right underneath my nose because I get a lot of redness. Nose and chin, because I have a lot of acne scarring, so I like to cover that up. And then bounce that all over my skin. Okay, so what I did is kind of cut out like a line right here. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and bake a little bit, applying that underneath my eyes while I'll fix the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to go in with my Precise Scone brush, which is the smudger brush. I love this brush. But I'm going to go in with the Coin shade that I told you guys earlier. And in that shade, I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Right here. To kind of give it a pop of what? You know, a little pop of something. Like that. And I'm going to mix that in with some VIP to brighten it up too. Girl, okay. Okay, looks like I'm going to a club, but I'm not even of age to go to clubs. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to take my Fenty Fly Liner, which I got in gratis. And I'm going to do my eyeliner. So for this, guys, I'm going to be real quiet because I don't want to mess this up. Okay? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection powder in 14 Neutral Linen with just a big fluffy brush I use, again, like always, the BH Cosmetics one. So that I'm just going on top of all of my skin, and then also dragging away the bake. Now I'm going to go in and do the bottom of my lash line. I smoked out the top, I gotta smoke out the bottom. So with that, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go in with Agent and Secure, both of those at the same time. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with Smooth Criminal and Prowl, both those darker shades. And with my Morphe M321 brush, I'm going to really focus that on the lash line. That's enough for my palette. What I'm going to do next is something crazy. Kidding, no. I'm just going to do my eyelashes. and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished my eyes and the rest of my makeup, honestly. I did my highlight, I did my bronzing, I did my lips. I used Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D, and then I topped it off with Dolly's lip gloss, or Buxom lip gloss in the shade Dolly. So yeah, this is the final look, and the lashes that I'm using are Huda Beauty's Noelle lashes, so I really like them. They're really pretty as well. I just went all out, just thought, you know, I'd do it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hope you guys enjoyed my stupidity, and yeah. So, bye Bellissima, see you next week, and have a great day.